So I suspected that is the problem. Now I have another donor car, so I pulled that same fuse out of the other one. So I'm going to pull this out. Carefully pull it out so you don't break it in case it's not bad. I'm going to check the resistance of it, and I want you to be able to see. Now I'm going to take these two are the control, these are the two that switch. So we're going to put one lead on the one side, and without touching the other lead with your finger, we have bouncing around 215 ohms. Now let's check the one that was working out of the other car, and we have 170 ohms. So I suspected that is the problem, and before I pulled this out, I checked it wouldn't start. I pulled it out, I put this one in, it started up, put the other one back in, it started up, but it could be just the connections in there. Should get all pushed in there tight, because sometimes I'll get a little oxidation in there and then it won't work. Let's see if it starts up now. And it starts. So it's either the fact that one, this relay, has a little bit too much resistance on it, which it can affect your circuit that way. So we'll try it now and see if it still has that problem before we go too far with it. We're going to make sure it works, but that's kind of a good sign that it did get something going here anyway.